Chelsea from Apple Blossom Way. I've got a new vacuum from SurfPrep. I'm gonna unbox, we're gonna hook it up and test it out. Let's get rid of the old one. My SurfPrep vacuum is here. Let's unbox it. So you're gonna unwrap everything, pull it out. There are instructions that come in the box with a QR code you can scan, and you can watch a tutorial from Skylar over at SurfPrep. It is more detailed, but join me right now and let's do this together. So inside of your vacuum, you're gonna have some parts, your wheels, your hose. These are the vacuum bags it comes with. They are awesome. They have a little lid that you can close when you're done so it keeps that dust in. I think that is genius. So you're just going to hook it up to the vacuum and then close up your top again. Add your wheels. So it has the two wheels on the front and then it has a bar wheel in the back. Snap that into place and you're getting there. You've got some couplers in there and your hose. So put those together. One side fits better than the other. You'll realize it's a little snug. Put that together. Twist on your hose. It's going to twist counterclockwise to be tight. And then your hose should fit right into your vacuum. This is cool. This little piece fits into the bottom of your SurfPrep sander, and then you can hook it up to any size SurfPrep sander. It has a plug in the vacuum, which is awesome. It also has a little mount that you can stick your toolbox on, so you can always have everything in your toolbox handy. When you turn it on, it has an automatic setting, so the vacuum will turn on with your SurfPrep and off after. Or you can turn it on manual. So take your hose off and see both of those different sizes of sander. You can fit it on. It's pretty rad. Check it out. I've got a blog post on it. Have you guys heard? Can you hear Finn screaming? It's fun. Summer's fun. We have a new something from SurfPrep. I'm so excited to show you. And of course the neighbor is riding his motorcycle. Isn't that fun? Let's get rid of the old one. It's been fun, it's been real, but it hasn't been real fun.